Dear student, today we are in our physical property of nitric acid. You can see it is colorless liquid. Nitric acid has no any color, which is colorless liquid. Freezing point 231.4 Kelvin means it convert into solid at below 231.4 Kelvin, and above that temperature, which is liquid, up to 355.6 Kelvin, which is liquid, and convert into gas at 335.6 Kelvin, which is called boiling point. Laboratory grade nitric acid contains 68% by mass of HNO3. That is 68 gram of nitric acid and 32 gram of water present in the solution. We are using in our chemistry lab. Specific gravity 1.504 gram per milliliter means 1 milli HNO3 હોય તેનું માસ 1.504 ગ્રામ હોય છે. In the gaseous state, HNO3 exists as a planar molecule. In the gaseous state, HNO3 is a planar molecule. In aqueous solution, nitric acid behaves as a strong acid, giving hydronium ion and nitrate ions. When we dissolve nitric acid into water, it releases H plus ion, gives hydronium ion and nitrate ion in the solution. Concentrated nitric acid is strong oxidizing agent and attacks most metal except aurum and platinum. Nitric acid is strong oxidizing agent. It easily oxidizes metals and non-metals, but except aurum and platinum છે એની સાથે react નહીં કરે. Noble metals છે, inert metal છે. The product of oxidation depend upon concentration of the acid. HNO3 when we are using, so product depends upon concentration of nitric acid, temperature and nature of the metal. Highly reactive છે, less reactive છે, concentrated કેટલું છે એના ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ કરશે. Concentrate HNO3 also oxidize non-metal and their compound. Concentrated HNO3 easily oxidizes non-metals and their compound. Yes, with presence of HNO3, zinc convert into zinc nitrate. So 0 into plus 2, oxidation of zinc occurs and gives zinc nitrate, and itself here oxidation number is plus 5, convert into NO2 gas. HNO3 નું પોતાનું reduction થાય. NO2 is brown gas. Itself experiences reduction, but it oxidizes to metals and non-metals. Zinc convert into zinc nitrate. You have to remember copper 0 into plus 2 copper nitrate. Diamond carbon 0 into plus 4. Graphite, not diamond, graphite convert into carbon dioxide with HNO3 and gives water. So carbon here oxidize, but it's not reacting with diamond. કાર્બન નું ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ ડાયમંડ હોય તો એની સાથે રિએક્ટ નહીં કરે. મેટલ મેટલ નોન મેટલ, નોન મેટલ. બોરોન in presence of nitric acid convert into boric acid. Boric acid phosphorus with HNO3 concentrated gives phosphoric acid 0 into plus 5, arsenic into arsenic acid, sulfur into sulfuric acid plus 6, stannic acid, tin into H2SNO3 stannic acid, like this, iodine into iodic acid, H2S hydrogen sulfide into sulfur, minus 2 into 0 means oxidation, sulfur dioxide into sulfate ion. And now carbon, you can see your last point, it easily oxidizes graphite into maleic acid, melaic acid, this is charcoal, this is graphite, C6 COOH6 melaic acid. Now in our table you can see some new points we are going to discuss here. Type of metal. In concentrated HNO3, standard reduction potential negative. SRP means standard reduction potential. Reduction potential of zinc is minus 0.76 volt. Standard reduction potential positive. Cu plus 2 gives Cu. Reduction potential of copper is plus 0.34 volt. એટલે જે મેટલનો રિડક્શન પોટેન્શિયલ નેગેટિવ છે with concentrated nitric acid gives a metal nitrate, zinc into zinc nitrate and NO2 gas. With dilute HNO3 gives zinc nitrate and into nitrous oxide, and very dilute nitric acid, metal nitrate and ammonium nitrate and ammonia occurs. Concentration change થઈ જાય, product will be changed. Now positive standard reduction potential like copper and lead. So with lead gives nitrate and NO2 gas, but in dilute condition gives nitric oxide, metal nitrate obviously, and nitric oxide. Very dilute HNO3 is not reacting with copper, having positive standard reduction potential वाले metal साथे react ना થાય. Metalloids like silicon, non-metals like carbon and tin. Ic acid occurs, we discussed about it. Boron gives boric acid with libration of NO2 gas, but metalloids, non-metal and tin is not reacting with dilute HNO3 or very dilute HNO3. Here some examples are given. You can see zinc with concentrated HNO3 gives zinc nitrate and NO2 gas. Zinc with dilute HNO3, we discussed, gives zinc nitrate and N2O, not NO2 but N2O. With copper, concentrated HNO3 gives copper nitrate and NO2 gas, but with dilute HNO3 gives nitric oxide and copper nitrate. This type of product occurs we have to remember આ ટાઈપની પ્રોડક્ટ આપે છે. This type of product occurs here. Now next point, some exceptional points. Magnesium and manganese form hydrogen gas on reaction with dilute HNO3. Magnesium react with HNO3 gives magnesium nitrate in liberation of hydrogen gas. Manganese also. This is exception. Actually reduction potential of HNO3 is more. તો આનું રિડક્શન થવું છે ને NO3 નું H પ્લસ ની બદલે, પણ with magnesium and manganese માં reduction occurs of hydrogen. Beryllium, aluminium, iron, chromium do not react with concentrated HNO3. Formation of protective layer, oxide on it. Beryllium converts into beryllium oxide. Aluminium એની ઉપર Al2O3, આ બધા stable oxide છે. Iron gives Fe2O3 and chromium gives Cr2O3, type of stable oxide. So it's not reacting with HNO3 concentrated. Aurum and platinum noble metals do not react with HNO3. Aurum and platinum by inert. It's not reacting with concentrated HNO3. Tin react with concentrated HNO3. Metastanic acid, it gives H2SnO3 is metastanic acid. Aurum and platinum react only with aqua regia. What is aqua regia? 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3, which is called aqua regia. In aqua regia, 3 parts of HCl, 1 part of HNO3 occurs NOCl. Nitrosyl chloride, 2 more water and chloride. So aurum and platinum both are inert. It not dissolves in any acid, but exceptionally in aqua regia, like 3 part of HCl, 1 part of HNO3 માં easily dissolve થાય. Aurum with 3 chloride and convert AuCl3. Now with HCl gives complex ion, hydrogen tetrachloride or hydrogen tetrachloride or otherwise this is tetrachloroauric acid. Tetrachloroauric acid. Now platinum with 4 Cl minus gives PtCl4. In excess of HCl gives hexachloroplatinic acid. Hexachloroplatinic acid H2PtCl6 type of complex. This is actually complex. H plus AuCl4 minus. Here 2H plus and PtCl6 complex occurs, so which is easily dissolves. Now concentrated HNO3 on the skin gives yellow spot. Skin માં જે પ્રોટીન હોય એ xanthoprotein માં કન્વર્ટ થઈ જાય and gives yellow spot on the skin. The major use of nitric acid is in the manufacturing of ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate is one of the fertilizer and other nitrates for use in explosive In pyrotechnics also means high temperature reaction occurs, explosive blast થાય cellulose nitrate, TNT trinitrotoluene. It is also used for the preparation of nitroglycerin, trinitrotoluene and other organic nitro compound. Other major uses are in the pickling of stainless steel. The stainless steel પર જે પ્રોસેસ થાય એમાં HNO3 યુઝિંગ છે. etching of metals, metal ઉપર કોઈ પ્રકારના અક્ષર કોતરવા માટે which is useful, and oxidizer in rocket fuel. રોકેટના ફ્યુઅલમાં as a strong oxidizing agent which is a substituent. Compounds of phosphorus, nitrogen over, now phosphorus. So one of the most IMP compound is phosphine. First, preparation of phosphine. Phosphine is prepared by the reaction of calcium phosphide with water. When we take calcium phosphide in the presence of 6 mole of water, gives calcium hydroxide. Here 1 calcium having +2 charge, phosphorus -3. In the water H plus OH. Phosphorus combines with hydrogen, calcium with OH, so calcium hydroxide, and 6H plus 2 phosphorus, 2 pH3, 6 OH and 3 calcium. So 3 mole calcium hydroxide. In the laboratory, it is prepared by heating with white phosphorus concentrated NaOH solution in inert atmosphere of CO2. In air absence ma, when white phosphorus react with 3 mole NaOH, 3 mole water, gives phosphine, then sodium dihydrogen phosphide, otherwise sodium hypophosphite. This reaction asked 12 times in different exam. When pure phosphine, it is not inflammable, સળગે તેવો નથી, but becomes inflammable owing to the presence of P2H4. P2H4 હોય કે P4 હોય એની પ્રેઝન્સમાં phosphine is flammable. In the presence of vapor, to purify it from the impurities, it is absorbed in HI to form phosphonium iodide, which on treating with KOH gives off phosphine. Yes, phosphine first absorbed in HI. એટલે phosphine impure હોય તેના પ્યુરિફિકેશન માટે ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ અહીં 1 લોન પેર છે H પ્લસ સાથે કોઓર્ડિનેટ કોવેલેન્ટ બોન્ડથી જોડાય ફોસ્ફોનિયમ આયોડાઇડ. That phosphonium iodide we have to add into base alkali K with IKI, pH 3, OH with H. So water gives pure phosphine. Properties of phosphine: it is a colorless gas. Phosphine has no color, which is gas at room temperature. Rotten fish smell and is like highly poisonous. Rotten fish એટલે સડેલી માછલી જેવી વાસ આવે. Highly poisonous, ખૂબ જ ઝેરી છે. It is lightly soluble in water. Phosphine is not highly but slightly soluble into water. The solution of phosphine in water decomposes in presence of light, giving red phosphorus and hydrogen. Solution of phosphorus in water decomposes in presence of light, giving red phosphorus and hydrogen. Into water in presence of light, it decomposes and convert into red phosphorus and hydrogen gas. When absorbed in copper sulfate or mercury chloride, the corresponding phosphide are obtained. When we pass phosphine gas throughout the solution of copper sulfate, the copper sulfate convert into cupric phosphide and gives sulfuric acid. Mercury chloride into brownish black downward precipitate insoluble settle down in the bottom of the vessel. Brownish black precipitate upset. Mercury chloride with phosphine gives mercury phosphide and releasing of hydrochloric acid. Phosphine is weakly basic and like ammonia gives phosphonium compound with acid. Phosphine is base. Donate electron pair to the H plus ion and convert into phosphonium ion first. And gives phosphonium bromide. The spontaneous combustion of phosphine is technically used in home signals. Spontaneous combustion એની મેરેજ તે સળગી જાય તેવું છે. Technically as a home signals we are using what is home signal? સ્ટીમર છે કે દરિયામાં ફસાય છે તો એક કેનની અંદર કેલ્શિયમ ફોસ્ફાઇડ હોય છે, એમાં કાણું પાડી અને દરિયામાં ફેંકવામાં આવે એટલે વોટર સાથે રિએક્ટ કરી ફોસ્ફિન ગેસ લાઇબ્રેટ કરે અને એમાંથી જે ગેસ ઉત્પન્ન થાય એ મેળે મેળે હવામાં સળગી જાય, લાંબી લાંબી જ્વાળાઓ નીકળે એટલે કોઈ વ્યક્તિ ત્યાંથી પસાર થાય પ્લેનમાંથી હેલિકોપ્ટરમાંથી તેને લોકેશનની ખબર પડે. દેટ ઇઝ અ હોમ સિગ્નલ. હોમ સિગ્નલ containing calcium carbide and calcium phosphide. Calcium carbide and calcium phosphide mixture are placed and there thrown into the sea when its gases evolve burn and serve as a signal. અને સિગ્નલ જેવું કામ આપે છે. It is also used in the production of smoke screen. આપણે પિક્ચરમાં ઘણીવાર આગના સીન જોયા હશે અથવા તો સ્ટેજ ઉપર ચાલુ પ્રોગ્રામમાં કોઈ આગની જ્વાળા નીકળે છે, નીચે પાઇપલાઇનમાંથી ફોસ્ફિન ગેસ આવે. Calcium phosphide react with water producing phosphine which burns in air to give cloud of phosphorus pentoxide and act as a smoke screen. એટલે ધુમાડો રચાય છે, આગ લાગી હોય તેવો અહેસાસ થાય છે. Now phosphorus halide. Phosphorus forms two type of halides, phosphorus trihalide and pentahalide, where X means fluorine, PCl3, PF3, PBr3 and PI. But in pentahalide, PF5, PCl5, PBr5, PI5 is not possible due to size. Yes, this type of compound gives phosphorus trihalide and pentahalide. Phosphorus trichloride. First of all, preparation. Method of preparation. It is obtained by passing dry chlorine over heated white phosphorus. गरम phosphorus पर chlorine gas pass करिए, so gives phosphorus trichloride. It is also obtained by the action of thionyl chloride, means SOCl2 with the white phosphorus. White phosphorus plus 8 mole SOCl2 gives 4 mole PCl3, 4 mole SO2 and sulfur monochloride. S2Cl2 નું structure આવું છે. Here oxidation number of sulfur 1 is +1. Property. This is production of PCl3. It is a colorless oily liquid. PCl3 is a colorless oily liquid at room temperature and hydrolysis in the presence of moisture. એટલે વોટર સાથે રિએક્ટ કરશે In water 3H plus 3OH. 3H plus with 3 chlorine gives 3HCl. Phosphorus combines with 3OH like this. So H3PO3 phosphorus acid gives it react with the organic compound containing OH group. જેમાં OH group હોય એવા organic compound સાથે react કરે છે and convert into means OH group replaced by chlorine. When we take 3 mole of acetic acid with PCl3, 3 OH group will be released from there and 3 chloride combines 3 mole of acetyl chloride and phosphoric acid. It gives H3PO3. Here is mistake. Phosphorus acid. 3 chloride and 3 OH जाएंगे उससे 3 OH and 1 phosphorus. So H3PO3 gives now ethanol with PCl3. Here 3 OH replaced by 3 chlorine. 3 mole of chloroethane and 3 OH with P, H3PO3. It gives now phosphorus pentachloride. Structure of PCl3 you can see. In the phosphorus there are 5 electrons in outermost orbit. Out of 5, 3 is participate with chlorine. So bonding pair is 3. Lone pair is 1. So hybridization is sp3. Here 3 bond and shape of it trigonal pyramidal bisect. Yes, penta phosphorus pentachloride PCl5. Phosphorus pentachloride is prepared with chlorine with the white phosphorus. White phosphorus with excess of chlorine. 6 mole to 10 mole of chlorine gives 4 mole PCl5. Phosphorus pentachloride. It can be also prepared by the action of SO2Cl2 and excess. 8 mole to 10. PCl3 में 8 mole and PCl5 में 10 mole. SO2Cl2. So here you can see અહીંયા SOCl2 હતું, થાયોનિલ ક્લોરાઇડ હતું, આ સલ્ફ્યુરાઇલ ક્લોરાઇડ કહેવાય. SOCl2 થાયોનિલ ક્લોરાઇડ. SO2Cl2 means sulfuryl chloride. બેમાં બે. So 10 mole of SO2 releases and P4 with 20 chlorine. So 4 PCl5 occurs. PCl5 is a yellowish white powder, means a solid છે. PCl5 is a white powder and moist air. It hydrolyzes to POCl3 and finally get converted to phosphoric acid. PCl5 with water gives POCl3, phosphorus oxychloride, like this. 2 chlorine with 2 hydrogen, 2 HCl, PO and 3 chlorine, POCl3. POCl3 once again react with water, convert here 3 chlorine and 3 hydrogen as a 3 HCl. So 3 hydrogen remaining, 1 phosphorus and 4 oxygen, H3PO4. When heated, it sublimes but decomposes on stronger heating. PCl5 on heating sublimes. The PCl5 solid normal temperature upper easily convert into gas. The sublime solid convert into direct gas sublime. On heating more, it decomposes, convert into PCl3 and Cl2. It reacts with organic compound containing OH group and chloro derivatives. Ethanol with PCl5. OH replaced by chlorine gives chloroethane. 1 phosphorus, 1 oxygen, 3 chlorine. Phosphorus oxychloride. H with Cl gives HCl. Thinly divided metals on heating with PCl5 gives corresponding chlorides. Thinly divided એટલે બારીક પાવડર. આપણે સિલ્વરનો પાવડર લઈએ and we are passing at high temperature gives 2 mole of AgCl and PCl3 એટલે 2 ક્લોરીન આવી જશે. આમાંથી પણ 2 ક્લોરીન આવી જશે એટલે SN 2 moles એટલે 4 ક્લોરીન SnCl4 and PCl3 આપશે. આ ડિકમ્પોઝિશન હાઈ ટેમ્પરેચર ઉપર ઓન હીટિંગ એટલે 2 ક્લોરીન અહીં જોડાય છે. એક મોલેક્યુલના 2 તો 2 ના 4 રિલીઝ થઈ જોડાઈ જાય. It is used in the synthesis of organic compound chloroethane, acetyl chloride. એટલે ઇથેનોલ માંથી OH રિપ્લેસ થાય ક્લોરોઇથેન. એસિડિક એસિડ માંથી OH રિપ્લેસ થાય એસિટાઇલ ક્લોરાઇડ. Now ammonia. Normal condition with oxygen gives dinitrogen gas and releasing of water. Ammonium ion with halide at high temperature. Suppose ammonium bromide is given on heating. HBr basic medium હોય so H with OH HBr and gives ammonia. Haber process. Nitrogen with hydrogen gives ammonia. Calcium cyanamide. Calcium cyanamide. On hydrolysis gives ammonia. Now ammonia react with ammonia like water. Water માં કેમ self ionization થાય. So ammonia with ammonia like water. Here H3O plus and OH. So NH4 plus NH2 minus. 2 mole ammonia it self ionizes. આ એક H plus release કરશે એટલે NH2 minus. Again કરશે NH4 plus. Self ionization કહેવાય. Oswald process. Ammonia with oxygen. Platinum goes high temperature gives nitric oxide. Nitric oxide oxidized by O2 convert into NO2 gas. NO2 gas when we dissolves into water gives nitric acid plus nitric oxide. That nitric oxide once again we can use એનું ઓક્સિડેશન કરી આ બાય પ્રોડક્ટ છે પાછી O2 માં રિએક્ટ થઈ NO2 બને અને વોટરમાં ડિઝોલ્વ કરતા HNO3 ગેસ આપે છે. Here group number 15 over 13 14 15. We will start group number 16 in next lecture. This is flow chart and you have to remember important in your exam. Bye.